Today, we're diving into a common frustration, a non-responsive keyboard on Windows 11. Step 1. USB connection check. One of the first things to check is the physical connection of your keyboard. Make sure it's securely plugged into a working USB port. Sometimes, a loose connection can be the culprit behind the keyboard glitch. Step 2. Driver updates. Another potential issue might be outdated or corrupted keyboard drivers. Head over to the Device Manager, locate your keyboard, and check for driver updates. Keeping your drivers up to date can often resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Windows updates. Windows updates are crucial for the overall health of your system. Make sure your operating system is up to date, as Microsoft frequently releases patches and fixes that can address various hardware compatibility issues, including problems with your keyboard. Step 4. BIOS settings. For those feeling a bit more adventurous, diving into the BIOS settings could reveal potential solutions. Sometimes, adjusting the USB settings or performing a reset can bring your keyboard back to life. There you have it, viewers. While we didn't provide step-by-step instructions this time, exploring these areas can often help identify and fix keyboard issues on Windows 11. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. If you have specific questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy typing!